Oh, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayo, also known as OJ22, but I prefer to be called OJ22. I am a makeup artist and a hairstylist based in the USA. So in this video, I'm basically going to be sharing with you guys how to do your ponytail cornrow or your cornrow ponytail, whichever way you guys call it. But before that, if you are a new subscriber, welcome to this channel. I am glad to have you. You did not stumble upon this video by mistake. It's just by divine connection. Please take a moment to just subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell just to get notified every time I post. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to this channel. I am so glad to have you. Please do not forget to leave a comment down below what you would like me to create next. Like I said, I am a makeup artist and a hairstylist, so you should be expecting a makeup content and hair content. So let's just get right into this video. So the first thing I always do is the hair prep. Hair prep is actually very important because it helps to braid faster. It helps with the professionalism of the braids. It helps with the uniformity of the braids, so it helps with a whole lot of things. So the first thing I always do is to divide the hair into two equal parts. So I start from the top of the head down to the nape of your neck. It is very important to do that, so that way you can see where you want to start braiding from. So every hairstyle that I do, I always make sure that I divide the hair into two equal parts, just to make the prepping easier. So because it is ponytail, what we'll be doing is we'll be dividing the divided hair into two equal parts also, just to give that 4 section. So we need 4 section for a cornrow ponytail braids or ponytail cornrows. So the first section is basically just going to help with you parting your hair or partitioning your hair in the direction of a ponytail, just like this, just like the way you are seeing it here. So prepping the hair helps with, number one, helps with how fast your braids will be. Number two, it helps with the professionalism of your hair. It just makes it look professional, makes it look nice, it makes it look uniform. So what am I doing right now? I am basically parting the part where I am going to do my first box braid. The reason why we do box braid in the middle of your ponytail cornrow is basically because I want a lot of space. Yeah, so let's just use that. I want a lot of space, so when I am braiding the ponytail, I will have enough space to pack the hair, or I will have enough space to join the hair together. I don't know if you guys understand what I mean, but I think as we go you will understand it more. So for my cornrows, I will be doing a stitch braid. I do my stitch braids differently from what you see on the internet. So the idea is I want to have 5 braids at the front and 4 braids at the back. Now the middle pattern already helped me to see or understand the way I want to part my hair. So it made it easier for me to part the hair in a very equal manner. Like I said, we're doing 5, so I will want to have 1 in the middle and 2 others on the side. So how do I do that? I just need to measure out from the left and the right using the middle part. So it just made it easy. I think you guys are able to understand what I'm saying watching this video, to be honest. And for braiding cornrows or doing stitch braid, one thing I realized is that your regular shine and jam doesn't lay your hair as much, so that is why I use the lock and I think I'm going to leave it in the description box so that you guys can, you know, go get it. So it helps with like laying the hair down. So this laying the hair down is the most important part of basically doing stitch braids, to be very honest, if you ask me, because if you are not getting a proper gel for this particular style, it will be very hard for you to do stitch braids. So first thing I'm doing is to just get a section at the front, and then I am dividing the hair into two. The reason I'm dividing the hair into two is because I want it to be very easy for me to, you know, create those stitches. So I use my index finger to actually create stitches. Some people use their pinky finger. I don't know how to use pinky finger for this particular style. I just feel like it's very hard for me, so I figured out a way for myself to, you know, do this. So that is what I am doing. So if you guys can't see this video up close and personal in this particular one, please just stay tuned or fast forward till the end. The end has a very detailed way of doing the stitch braids. So yeah. Like I said, I want to do 5 braids at the front and 4 at the back. You guys can see how this hair is already looking like. So now this is the 5th one, which is the last one at the front. You guys can already tell that this hair is looking equal because, you know, the pattern or the hair prep has been able to help me to understand how I want these braids to, be alike. So you can see like the ending of the braid is always very bigger. That's because of that what is it called, that size. That is why we always do box braid in the middle, so that it gives more space for the hair to actually lay. I don't know if you guys understand that, but anyways, that's the perfect way I can explain this thing. I don't know why I talk like cartoons sometimes. I think I talk like cartoons, but let's just move on. Guys, I stutter a lot, that's why it's as if I am pausing on my words. So you guys should just move with me, just move with me. So I'm basically just going to be talking up until we're done with this particular one, so you guys can see how we are going. As you go, the hair becomes bigger in size, bigger and bigger and bigger, and that is why we actually always do box braid at the back or in the middle, just for the braids to have more space to accommodate the ponytail, if that's correct. So yeah, I'm trying to explain this thing in a way that you guys will understand, but I think I'm just missing it. But I think you guys understand what I am saying though. Okay, so this is the last one that I am talking about. This particular one that I said it is more detailed because I think the lighting was so perfect here. I don't know what I am doing with this light, but let's just move on. So yeah, you guys can see how I am doing this. You guys already know how I prep this hair now. You first of all use your gel, then you mold the hair, you make sure that it is sleek, before you start braiding on it. So please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please, what are you waiting for? It won't take a long time. It's just going to take 1 second. Just click on the subscribe button. It's free. Hit the notification bell just to get notified. I have a lot of content that I'm basically going to be posting, so I want you guys to please sit back and relax and enjoy this videos. And if you also want me to do I think I have visual tutorials on my channel, so you guys can check it out, how to do your cornrows properly. Please check out those videos. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. Check out those videos, and please give this video a thumbs up. It helps with YouTube recommending this video to other people. And also leave a comment down below. I have said this thing like more than 20 times at this point. Please leave a comment down below, because it will help me to understand the kind of video you guys like, or the kind of video you guys want me to create, and I will make sure that I upload those kind of videos. But if you don't tell me, there's no way I can know. So not only when it comes to braiding, also when it comes to makeup. I do lovely makeups, so if you guys want me to create, just tell me what you need to know about makeup. I love to share knowledge, and I will share every single thing that you need to know about makeup with you guys. So what do I want to say again? I think that is all I want to say. You can also follow me on all social media platforms at Beauty by Imole on Instagram, Beauty by Imole on TikTok. You can follow me on there, and yeah, I also have incredible content on TikTok. The only thing I suck at doing is lifestyle content. I don't know if and also I have not done a get to know me video, so if you guys want that video, please tell me in the comment section and I will create, that. So the hair is in hot water right now. That is basically very important, and she said she wanted a curly end. So if you guys want me to do a curly end tutorial, please tell me and I will do that. So I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys. Bye bye. I play a lot at this point. Bye.
Together we sing, we lift up a shout, we lift up a shout of praise. From the north to the south, let it rise and ring out. Oh, lift up your voice and sing. Yeah, lift up a shout of praise.